guys, so we are all done and finished and packed up. She's down, she's safe, and might actually resprout from this, so she'll definitely resprout from that that stump there. We've left the timber there as habitat because it's a really lovely biodiverse area, and I just absolutely love this here hole, and in there that's going to be a lovely little place for all sorts of grubs and animals and stuff to be feeding. So yeah, another great day doing tree work with the team, and yeah, I'll catch you again soon.